Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put a DVD drive icon if it is disappeared. So you're gonna access device manager. Okay, then you're gonna find out DVD CD ROM drive. Below that you can see the drive. Right click it and enable it. Alright, if you can see it's work. If this is working with you, then just go back again and right click it and uninstall it. Okay, after that you can restart, or you can click action scan for hardware changes, and it will again show it will kind of refreshing, and here it is. If this is also not going to work with you, then just right click it, go to properties and driver. In here you can update driver, search automatically. It will automatically search a new driver. Here it is already the best driver, and you can browse for that, and here the disable button and uninstall option. And here it is a rollback driver. You can roll in back your drivers to the previous version if there's a previous version. So if there's no previous version, I think you can't do it. If you have it, you can roll back, and that will do the thing. So I hope these things going to be fix your problem. So okay guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I'd like to thank you for watching.